guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm officially on day 5 of quarantine, so I have not done my hair all week, but I was like, okay, let me stop being lazy and do something with this nest on top of my head. So I was like, okay, let me just do a little avocado mask. And then I said, wait a minute, sis, you could be the plug real quick, film this and show other people how to get soft and shiny hair like you about to. I'm gonna read straight from Google. It says an avocado is rich in natural oils, fat, protein, vitamins, and helps coat and soften the hair. A couple things you're gonna need are a avocado, of course, an egg, some coconut oil or virgin olive oil. Right now I'm just gonna use some coconut oil, a blender, a clean stocking so that you can strain the avocado, and a bowl to mix everything up in. I'm gonna be using this mix as a conditioner, so I just washed my hair and now I'm just gonna apply the mask straight to my hair. I like to start with applying it straight to the ends of my hair and just work it in. And now, while I let this sit in my hair for 30 or 35 minutes, I'm going to go make myself my second cup of coffee for the day and maybe do a little face mask because I have nothing else to do. I ain't going nowhere. Why not? This is what my hair looks like right after I rinsed it out. I think it looks really shiny. It feels so soft. I definitely see a difference on my ends because before I put the mask in, my ends were so dry and brittle. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit of this shea butter and mango leave-in conditioner. And I'm gonna just rake that through my hair for some added moisture. And it smells so good. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. When I use this stuff, people always tell me that I smell good when really it's just my hair. And I love when people think I smell good and it's my hair, because I love when my hair smells good. Okay guys, so this is what my hair looks like after the mask. I know I keep saying this, but my hair really feels so soft. And it looks super good and shiny. I'm really happy with it. Clearly I'm going nowhere, so this was just done for me and the health of my hair. I really recommend you trying this if your hair is like really dry or your ends are starting to break more than you're used to. If your hair is starting to become dull and brittle, then I say give it a try. It can't hurt anything. It always helps rejuvenate my hair, give it that extra boost. It makes me feel extra, you know, okay? So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at I'm Just Good. Until next time, see ya.